This is a used 2013 Ford Expedition. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, trailer hitch, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, roof rails. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Riley Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 9693 Route 9, Chazy, New York, 12921.